Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today, we will explain how taxes actually work and how you can reduce them legally by planning when your money counts. Let's begin. Most people overpay taxes without realizing it. They think taxes are simple. You earn money, a percentage is taken, and that's it, but that's not how taxes really work. Taxes are not calculated on how hard you worked. They are calculated on when money is received, when expenses are paid, and which tax year everything falls into. That timing alone can change the final number, legally. Let me show you how. Imagine someone named Alex. Alex lives in the United States. He has a job and also a small side activity. In 2025, Alex expects to earn about $80,000. Now here's the important part. Alex finishes a project in December. He is supposed to get paid $5,000. Instead of receiving that money in December, the payment is scheduled for January. Nothing illegal, nothing hidden. Because the money was received in January, it is recorded as income for the next tax year. That $5,000 is no longer part of 2025 taxes. Alex didn't cancel the tax. He delayed it, and time matters. Now let's look at expenses. Alex plans to buy work equipment, software, and take a professional course. The total cost is about $4,000. If Alex waits and pays in January, those expenses reduce taxes next year. But if Alex pays in December, those same expenses reduce taxes this year. Same purchases, same money, different tax result. Now add one more step. Alex contributes $3,000 to a retirement account that reduces taxable income. Again, this is legal. This is encouraged by the system. So let's recap what Alex did. He delayed receiving $5,000. He paid $4,000 in expenses before year end. He reduced taxable income with a $3,000 retirement contribution. Alex did not hide money. He did not cheat. He did not break any rule. But his taxable income for the year is now much lower. And because taxable income is lower, the tax bill is lower. For Alex, this easily meant saving several $1,000s in taxes. Most people never do this. They get paid as soon as possible. They delay expenses without thinking. They don't pay attention to tax years. Then tax season arrives, and the number feels painful. The difference is not intelligence. It's awareness. The tax system works by calendar years. It cares about dates, not effort, not stress, not intention. Employees usually don't have much control over timing. But anyone with a side income, freelance work, or a small business does. That flexibility is powerful. Legal tax reduction is not about tricks. It's about understanding when money counts, and planning around that reality. You don't need to eliminate taxes. You just need to control when they happen. People who pay the most taxes are often not unlucky. They simply never learned how timing works. And once you understand the timing, you understand how the system actually sees money. Taxes are not about how much you earn. They're about when money counts. If this made taxes clearer for you, like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.